All things are possible. New income is mine.
Welcome to Create Income with or without a job. I'm Jamila Harris, your Create Income coach. Be sure to push the subscribe button and tap that bell so you'll be notified each time a new video is available to help you as we take you step by step in how to create income in your life with or without a job. Today, we talk about what to do in the first 30, 60, 90 days after sudden job loss. If you haven't seen or heard my story, be sure to click and check the video, My Story. It tells you about what I went through and that these are actual practical steps that I journeyed through in order to move from having no income, being broke and homeless, to creating income on a daily basis in my life. So today we're going to talk about the Keep the Wolf Away from the Door plan. It's a 5-step plan that emerged as I was trying to make the transition from having no income while I had bills, while I had a car note, and so on. So, we're going to talk about several steps. First, what to do 30, 60, 90 days after you have just lost your job. The first thing to do is develop a transitional budget. 90 days is a time frame that you want to focus on simply because everything is new right now. The fears are running high. You're not accustomed to not having regular income coming in. So you want to choose a 90-day period of time. That gives you about 3 months to take some of the fear off, take some of the pressure off. So if you develop a transitional budget for the first 90 days, then you can shift your energy and your attention to focus on what you're going to do next. And the 5-step Keep the Wolf Away from the Door plan basically emerged as what I ended up doing in order to handle my finances. So, step 1, face your financial fears and develop an action plan to address them. Step 2, position yourself to see potential sources of income. Step 3, find ways to create immediate income. Step 4, look for a lifestyle, not a job or a title. And step 5, accept what has happened. Remember, even though you don't have a job, you are still valuable, capable, and you still have skills, natural talents, and abilities. So, for step 1, face your financial fears and develop an action plan to address them. Determine how much your minimum essential monthly bills are. The key words here are minimum, essential. We have expenses in our monthly budgets that are not essentials. So evaluate properly. Cut all down to bare bones vanilla. Absolutely the only things that are essential to survive each month. Then determine how much income you have coming in, if any, to address those bills. And then contact your creditors to make payment arrangements until you're able to do something better, until your situation changes. Total your essential minimum monthly bills and then add 20% to that so that you can set a goal per month for the type of income that you need to come in. Step 2, position yourself to see potential sources of income. So your job's gone. Your normal ways of having money come in don't exist. So now we have to see differently. We have to see other ways that we can create and bring income in. Resist the urge to fear and focus on taking action steps. So that's number 1. Every time that fear comes in your mind, just resist it. And then focus on the next step, which is accept the fact that all of your income will now come from you rather than the expectation of a paycheck, something outside of you bringing income to you. Realize that you're going to now attract income to yourself. You're going to take action steps that bring income to yourself. You're going to create earning opportunities to bring income in. Then determine that your total minimum essential monthly money will come as the result of action you take to bring money to you. So it's a different mindset. It's a shift in our mindset. It's a thought, okay, what am I doing today that will bring money into my hands so that I will have money by the end of the week to buy groceries? What am I doing in the morning? What am I doing in the afternoon? What do I do with my time each day that creates earning opportunities for me to bring money in? You want to develop a create income mindset. And step 3 of the keep the wolf away from the door plan, it specifically helps you to develop earning opportunities for yourself. Now in step 3, we find ways to create immediate income. How do you do that? You identify your marketable skills, talents, and natural abilities. When I lost my full-time job in 1980, and after month applying for job after job and not securing any job or any other income, I sat down on the floor of the apartment that I was getting ready to be evicted from. And I took sheets and sheets of paper, and on these sheets of paper, I began to write everything that I know how to do. Everything. Sweep floors, clean toilets, babysit, typing, word processing, photography, you name it. I wrote everything that I knew how to do. And that's what this challenges you to do. Write down everything that you know how to do. No longer think about how you're going to create income based on what your degree is, or what your field of study is, or what the industry is that you've been working in previously before this event. You are a walking bundle of resources. You have natural skills, talents, and abilities, and they are marketable. They can bring income into you. So this is what we want to help you to do now, is translate your natural talent, skills, and abilities into revenue, into income that comes into you. And then learn how to market yourself. And this is so important. And some of you may be thinking, well, I'm a technical person. I don't know anything about marketing. But in fact, we market others, and we market others' products and good things and actions and the stories of others. We market all the time. Marketing is simply sharing with others about something that you know about. So now we want to shift our focus so that we're sharing about the things that we know how to do with others who can potentially pay us to do those things. Remember, your initial income goal for your minimum monthly essentials plus 20%. So as you're thinking of, considering, making a list of the things you know how to do, you're thinking about what kind of income can come to you from your natural talents, gifts, and abilities. Remember how much money you're trying to attract every month for your minimum essential monthly bills. So now we're talking about step number 4 in the keep the wolf away from the door plan. Look for a lifestyle, not a job or a title. This is again a different way of looking at ourselves and how we bring income into our lives. Rather than looking for a job that is from 8 to 3 9 to 5, 7 to 11. We look for a lifestyle. We try to guide our work and the times that we work and where our location of our work is based on our actual personal priorities. I know it sounds strange, but people who arrive at succeeding to develop this skill actually have more satisfaction from their work and actually more joy and tend to make more money because they're doing work, bringing income into themselves, but they have a whole approach that also nurtures your entire life and your lifestyle. So, for example, list your daily priorities and what you decide is important in your life. So, if it's important to you to help your kids with homework after school from 4 to 6 p.m., then look for earning opportunities that allow you to be available from 4 to 6 p.m. to your children. Make earning opportunities for yourself that allow you to use your time according to your daily priorities. This is really significant. You now are creating income for yourself. You now are making earning opportunities for yourself. So once you know your priorities, your daily priorities, you simply schedule your times to be available for work around your daily priorities. For example, my office doesn't open until 10:30 a.m. I don't answer phone calls, look at emails, or anything before 10:30 a.m. because I have other priorities in my day that the day parts between the time I arise and 10 a.m. require my attention, my full undivided attention. You can do the same. Seek earning opportunities with flexible hours and in locations that have minimal commute time. Again, you're more available for what's really important in life while you are attracting money into your life. Not having a job sometimes can actually allow one to create a better quality of life. If you seek a lifestyle instead of a job for income, and you create income that supports your lifestyle, you will have a better life all the way around. Set your work schedule around your daily priorities and not the other way around. And the most important thing is take action today. Don't procrastinate. Don't let fear thoughts creep in and keep you from doing anything. It's better to try and fail at something than not try at all. The income is not going to come in automatically. It's going to come in based on the effort that we put in to attract money to ourselves. So be committed to take action every day. Now we'll talk about step number 5. Step number 5 is quite simply generate some income every day. So after you've completed the previous steps of the 5-step keep the wolf away from the door plan, you will have identified your natural talent, skills, and abilities. You will have learned how to market them. You will have learned how to create some income every day. And so that's the rule of thumb with Create Income. You have a minimum essential amount of money that you've determined you need every month. Just focus on creating some income every day. Make money from some source every day. Resist the fear and the panic. Every time the panic button comes into your life, just refocus on taking these steps to keep the wolf away from the door. That will actually engage you in taking actions that will result in you creating immediate income. I know it's not easy, but trust me, I have been through this personally, and I can assure you, these are not ideas or concepts that someone sat down in a room and discovered. This is how I walked from homelessness to creating some income in my life each and every day. So create income with or without a job. We seek to help you as you walk your journey of uncertainty and trying to restore income to your life and your family's life. Join our Create Income family. Visit our website, createincomewithoutajob.com. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel. We are doing our best to make sure that you have action step videos that will help you move step by step by step back to where you're creating income in your life. And we look forward to hearing from you. Let us hear from you. Leave a comment. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Subscribe. Click the notification bell. And stop looking for a job. Create income with or without a job.